Hey guys, it's me, Olive Natural, and I'm back and I'm popping! Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own oil mixture to stimulate hair growth. All you need is avocado oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, and my favorite, peppermint oil. And lastly, you'll need a little applicator bottle. I have a little bit of the mixture left, but I want to show you guys how you can make it yourself. First, I'm going to pour in the jojoba oil. Then, I'm going to go in with the avocado oil. I like to use light oils because they're similar to the sebum that's produced on your scalp. You don't want to use heavy oils like castor oil because it could clog the pores and cause a lot of buildup. So then I'm going to take the tea tree oil. It's an essential oil that I got from Amazon. I don't know if it's the purest, but it's what I'm going to use. So with essential oils, you only want to use a couple drops because they're very strong. So I'm just going to put in a couple drops. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I put in 3. That's okay. Then I'm going to put in some of the peppermint oil. I like peppermint oil because it really gives a cooling sensation to my scalp and it feels so good. And tea tree oil is really good for being antibacterial, so if you do have struggles with buildup, tea tree oil is a great thing to use. So then I just put back on the cap and I give it a good old shaking. Voila, that's it. I just use jojoba oil, avocado oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. I shake it up and I can put it on my scalp. Feels nice and cool. And if you're wondering, this is a braid out. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how I achieve these amazing braid outs, then leave a comment down below and don't forget to thumbs up. See you guys next time.